What we're looking at this time is a continuation of the painting of the pony character that I printed out. So let's go ahead and go back into our other view. Here we are. Fight with my chair a little bit. Let's get it where you can see a bit more focus on what we're working on. So here's what we're doing. And what I want to do this time is first go over the main areas that we covered with purple last time. And two, do a little bit of fine tuning on the areas around the blue colored parts. So I've got my two paints, that we have right here from Amsterdam, all acrylics, the violet, and the zinc white. Phone battery was running out. Okay, so we're going to mix these two just like we did last time. Till we get a color that looks about right. Still having to get used to the new camera setup, so sorry about my head being in the frame there. Do believe this will be a close enough match, but we can test it. Yes, that will be perfect. That would be quite a good match, indeed. So we're just going to start going over a little bit more the areas that we hit last time. And now, we come to an area that we want to hit again. Got a little bit of paper here. Get some more paint and that idea is not going to work. Let me get the tape. So now we have our painter's tape here. Painter's tape. And we're just going to tear off a little bit. And put it right where we need it. So there we go for that side, which I think is what we're going to be focusing on this time around, is just getting this side nicely colored. So now we can come in and paint right along that tape line, and that will keep our paint from getting in on the blue of the tail. Clean the brush out. Bit more paint. I'm not doing the head this time, just focusing on the body itself. Try to get all of that on this side colored like we want it. So we now have that. It's coming along nicely. Let's lay it on its side here. And start on the underside. Start up on that leg. So far, so good. Curiosity, what's our time looking like here? Still 7 minutes. Awesome. I keep a timer running. Try to keep these video segments to a maximum of 20 minutes each. And that gives plenty of time for the little intro clip or still picture and then the credits at the end. Which, if you wanted to have your name in the credits, it's just a minimum of isn't it the cheapest on Patreon that I have? I'll have to look and see. I don't remember offhand. No matter though, any level of Patreon will get you that. I know there are some out there who aren't, but for anyone who is interested, that's how you do it. I'm going to say that is it for this. Clean the brush out a bit. And while I've still got it here, give you a sneak peek of how this is, of how this and any other 3D model I print and paint will be displayed on the title screen or the title page for YouTube. Got a little spinner here, so I will be able to take it and have it spinning around for the camera. Let's get the other camera loaded up here and I can actually show you what I'm talking about. So basically, have it going like this. So the entire model is visible all the way around in all of its stages of paint. And with that, I will see you all in the next video. That's all for this session of Polygonal Art with JoRaSe. If you enjoyed what you saw, how about giving this video a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos from me. In the video description below, you'll find my Patreon link. Feel free to check it out. Now, on to the credits.